All right, so now problem number 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, a circle has a diameter of 5.7 feet. What is the circumference of the circle in yards? Okay, so what is it asking us to find? Circumference. What's the formula? Well, it has a diameter right here, so circumference equals, I need to go into insert, special characters, find my pi. Okay, at this point you guys should be pros at that. And I'm going to put pi d. It's not going to be circumference 2 pi r because we don't have a radius. We have a diameter. Okay, so we need to substitute the values we know. The first thing we need to do before calculating anything is we need to convert. Because look, a circle that has a diameter of 5.7 feet, but what is the circumference in yards? I need to convert my diameter into yards. So to do that, 1 foot equals 0.333 yards. I need 5.7 feet. Whoops. So we're going to come over here and we're going to multiply 5.7 times 0.12333 is right there. 333 equals 1.89. So I am going to round up to 1.90 because I don't want to use this whole number here. So 1.90. So I have circumference equals pi 3.14 times 1.90. Or you can just do 1.9. You don't actually have to have that 0 at the end. All right, so now I'm going to solve for my variable. I'm going to multiply 3.14 times 1.9. So I'm going to clear this. 3.14 times 1.9 equals 5.966. So I have circumference equals 5.966. So my answer down here is the diameter is, nope, not diameter, sorry, we have diameter. The circumference is 5.966 yards. Right there. So there we go. So it's asking for circumference. Circumference is in my answer. It's asking for it to be in yards, not in feet. I did transfer it by looking over here at this conversion chart right here. I made sure I did that right here. Before I added it, I didn't even add it in feet. Notice the feet is up here, but I added it in yards down here because you convert before you start calculating. I went ahead and did my calculations. I then typed my answer in the form of a sentence. This is how it needs to look before you continue.